Exploring the hidden treasures beneath the waves has never been more accessible thanks to the latest advancements in underwater drone technology. With these innovative devices, diving deep into the mysterious realms of our oceans is just a remote control away. In this video, we're going to unveil the top best underwater drones that are making waves in the market right now. Our selection criteria have been meticulously refined, incorporating extensive market research and thorough analysis of customer reviews and feedback to ensure that we bring you options that offer unparalleled value for your investment. For those keen on discovering more about these underwater marvels, including up-to-date pricing and additional insights, do check out the product links provided in the video description box below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more informative content like this. Now, let's submerge into the depths and explore the best underwater drones that are set to redefine maritime exploration. At the number 3 spot is the V-EVO 4K 60 FPS underwater drone. Dive into the ocean's mysteries with unparalleled clarity and fluid motion, thanks to V-EVO's 4K 60 FPS high frame rate camera. This underwater marvel stands out with its hydrodynamic design, promising minimal resistance against strong currents and enabling longer, more explorative dives. Its 360 degrees omnidirectional mobility and AI vision lock offer an immersive experience, allowing you to capture cinematic quality footage of the aquatic world like never before. The drone is equipped with ultra-bright 5,000 lumen LEDs and a 166 degrees ultra-wide lens, illuminating the darkest depths and revealing the true colors of underwater life. Plus, the VR immersive control redefines the way you navigate underwater, offering a unique, intuitive control experience. While the V-EVO's price tag might be steep for casual hobbyists, the investment opens up a new frontier in underwater exploration and videography, ensuring every dive is as rewarding as it is breathtaking. Ranked at the number 2 spot is the Chasing Gladius Mini underwater drone. Embark on an unparalleled aquatic journey with the Gladius Mini, a marvel of engineering that brings 4K UHD underwater photography to your fingertips. With its dual 1,200 lumens LED lights and advanced f3.0 lens, this drone illuminates the ocean's mysteries, allowing for real-time viewing and capturing of the enigmatic underwater world. Its game-like control system and adjustable tilt-lock feature provide smooth, intuitive navigation, making underwater exploration as effortless and engaging as playing a video game. The drone's compactness, akin to a 15-inch MacBook Pro, and its ability to dive up to 330 feet ensure it's not just portable but also incredibly versatile. However, while the Gladius Mini excels in functionality and portability, its reliance on a tether may limit the freedom of movement for some adventurers. Despite this, its immersive VR capabilities and live streaming function make it an invaluable tool for underwater discovery and documentation. At the top of the list is the PowerVision Powerray Explorer underwater drone. Venture beneath the waves with the Powerray Explorer, a cutting-edge underwater drone that brings the mysteries of the deep right to your fingertips. Equipped with a 4K high-definition camera and powerful LED lights, this drone captures the vibrancy and dynamism of marine life in exquisite detail. Its intuitive controls ensure that even beginners can steer it with ease, diving up to 98 feet to uncover hidden underwater landscapes. With live stream capabilities, you can share your discoveries in real time, bringing the underwater world to your audience, wherever they may be. Though the Powerray is a beacon of innovation in underwater exploration, its 32 GB SD card might require frequent swaps or downloads during extensive use. Nonetheless, its versatility across diving, snorkeling, and fishing, combined with its portable design, solidifies its position as a must-have for any water enthusiast looking to document and share their aquatic journeys. Thanks for joining us on this aquatic adventure. We hope you enjoyed peeking into the world beneath the waves with the fascinating technology of underwater drones. If this video sparked your curiosity or added to your knowledge, do hit that like button. It helps us a lot. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Your support keeps our explorations going. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more wonders together. Safe diving!